What's the meaning of cackle? Cackle. Cackle.
Cackle. Cackle. The word cackle refers to a sharp, high-pitched laugh, often made by a person or an animal. It is a sound that is typically associated with witches or hens. When a hen cackles, it is a way for her to communicate with other hens and to show off her accomplishments, such as laying an egg. In the case of a witch, cackling is often used to represent a sinister or evil laugh. Overall, the word cackle describes a noise that is loud, sharp, and often indicative of joy or mischief.